The Cvana awning is very easy to operate, very easy to pull out and push back in. It is currently secured at 4 points, fixing points. 2 are the hooks over here, and they have to be secured for driving, and as well 2 nuts on the bottom. So they need to be fastened while you're driving. To pull the awning out, you loosen the nuts on either side of the awning, both arms. Then you use the awning stick to push the hooks up. The awning is now loose and can be pulled out with your awning stick, which is located in the rear boot of your motorhome. The hook goes into the loop. Then the awning is getting pulled out. And you have to watch it. Once the awning comes down a certain way, you would have to push against it to keep it from coming down too fast. You can now secure the nuts on either side. And the awning is now out. To push the awning back in, you reverse. You loosen the nuts on both sides. You now push the awning back in. Make sure you hold onto the stick so the awning is gently put back against the side of your motorhome. And again, you secure it. Use the awning stick to push the hook down on both sides, very important. And then fasten your nuts, and it is recommended when you stop for a break to check that they are sitting still nice and tight. And that is it. Very simple, your Cvana awning.